Hello, everyone. Welcome to your reading. This is for Sagittarius, May the 11th to 13. Now, so para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and click that notification bell para po ma-notify tayo every time na tayo ay nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, no? Babaylan TV. You're very much welcome. Yung pong channel na yun ay catered to our international channel. Ayan. So, kung wala naman po kayong time, no, para po sumali sa live sessions or hindi nyo naaabutan, good news po is sasagot din ako ng yes or no, no? Na question dito sa comment section, dito sa YouTube, no? As long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Now, Sagittarius, I would like to remind you guys that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with part of the reading or parts of the reading. No, take what only yours. So simulan na natin as Sagittarius. Nakikita ko dito parang you would rather want to probably be alone, no? Parang gusto mo sana lumayo muna, kung hindi lumayo for good, no? For you, Saggis, parang ang sabi mo dito is I'm better off alone, no? Sinasabi mo dito na parang medyo naiinis ka, nagagalit ka. So this reading may be also for, again, like what I mentioned, this is in general. This could also be for romance, family, no? It could also finances, what have you, no? Sort of aalis ka muna sa isang either department, situation. Parang sinasabi mo dito is, I need to look for my own happiness. It could also be a greener pasture. Siguro, merong mga bagay na it challenges you, you know, for your growth. With the Star, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So, self-love tayo, no? Ang iyong ginagawa. Whether it is you're protecting your mental health, you know, health per se, whether it is medical, what have you. It could also be you are protecting either your reputation and peace of mind also, no? I'm also seeing here when it comes to kind of giving your emotion, your love. I feel like nasabi mo sa sarili mo, I gave everything, no? So, parang sobra-sobra ngayon na ibigay ko. Now, I want to focus on myself, and what I want to do here is to seek for my own happiness. With the Two of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Kahit papano, no? Kumbaga, nagigilty tayo sa ginagawa natin kasi mahal natin yung tao o mga tao when it comes to family. Pero inaano natin siya, pinipigilan natin. No, kind of you're loving the person or the people from afar. No, parang sinasabi mo dito, I still care. Pero ayoko lang muna magkaroon ng, kumbaga, magkaroon tayo ng contact, no? I'm still checking, no? Kumbaga, tinitignan ko rin yung growth, tinitignan ko rin yung, kumbaga, umaalalay ako, yun nga lang, sa malayo, no? I feel like you're distancing yourself from people who probably hurt you, no? With the Four of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Parang feeling mo hindi niya or hindi nila mag-get kung ano yung pinaglalaban natin, kung ano yung prinsipyo, no? Kung ano itong gusto mong ma-achieve. When it comes to family, I feel like pinipilit nila ang, kumbaga, sabihin natin, if this is also family related to studies, no? Sabihin natin na ang gusto mo kunyari is mag-fine arts, no? Pero ang gusto nila is to become a medical doctor, no? So, parehas namang maganda. Kaso yung passion mo hindi for medical doctor, you wanted to become an artist, no? Kumbaga, ang sinabi mo dito, I need to pursue my dreams, I need to um, kumbaga, sorry ha, kasi hindi naman, baka yun yung dream nyo for you, no? Pero paano naman yung buhay ko, no? Paano naman yung sarili ko? What I am also seeing in here, para kasing, when it comes to relationship, parang sinasabi mo dito na hindi ko na rin masyadong na-appreciate yung pagbabaliwala sa akin, no? I would distance myself so that you can see my worth. With the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. For those of you who's seeking, for finances, career-wise, no, parang sinabi mo, eto na nga tayo, nandito na tayo sa part na mahirap na, no, burden na yung mga nangyayari. You come from the place of love, no? Hindi lang nila makuha kung bakit mo ginagawa yun kasi siguro nga both energies comes from the place of love, no? Kumbaga, if this is family, ayaw ka naming umalis, ayaw ka namin mag-ibang bansa, ayaw ka na, gusto ko sama-sama lang tayo. Pero kumbaga, ako na lang yung magsasacrifice, okay lang ako, no, na medyo far from you, just to search for a greener pasture and help you, no? So, ang hirap kasi i-gauge, kasi parang parehas namang mahal, no? Pero someone here needs to accept the other person's, sabihin natin, decision, di ba? Kung relationship naman ito, ang nakikita ko dito is parang sinabi mo, I need to focus on myself, my growth, my probably career, and if time forbids, no, na babalikan ko kayo. With the Fool card, the Two of Pentacles, and the Moon card, gumawa tayo ng isang desisyon na parang mabigat sa puso natin kasi madaming tao ang pwedeng involved or kumbaga sinaalang-alang natin dito, no, hindi natin pinakinggan ang paksyon, no, ng ibang tao pero hindi rin nila makuha kung ano ang sinasabi mong gusto mong mangyari. Ang sakit. Ang sakit, Sagittarius, kasi wala tayong tulak kabikin, no? Bakit parang gusto kong maiyak, no? Sa Sagittarius, I hope kung ano man ito maging decision mo, what I am praying for you is for your success and understanding, no? Sana makita din ng ibang tao, no? Or ng tao, ng person mo, yung sinasabi mo, or ma-respect nila, no? Yung decision mo. So, ang bigat. Sa Sagis, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng mga taong involved or taong involved, no? I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Taurus, Aries, Leo, no? Water placements are dominant Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Aquarius. Ayan. So, this is your reading for now, Sagis, and para po sa mga bago, truly appreciate your presence in this video. Please do click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At para po sa dalawang reading na kung gusto ninyo is sa Babaylan TV po. No? So kung meron po kayong mga questions, suggestions, and you want to clarify something, comment below. No? Sumasagot po tayo as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Love and light. Namaste. See you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye.